Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cream biscuits using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1 cup of cold, heavy cream, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This recipe is perfect for beginners and yields wonderfully fluffy biscuits every time. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your self-rising flour and salt. Next, slowly pour in the cold, heavy cream. Mix gently with a fork or your hands until the dough just comes together. The key here is not to overmix. A slightly shaggy dough is exactly what we want for tender biscuits. This step is quick and easy. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're baking up a storm. Check out the fantastic Owala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold all day. You can find the link and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your dough is mixed, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently pat the dough into a circle or rectangle about 1 inch thick. Remember, minimal handling keeps the biscuits tender. Now, grab your 2-inch biscuit cutter and cut out your shapes. Try to cut straight down without twisting for the best rise. You should get about 8 to 10 biscuits. Arrange your freshly cut biscuits on a baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top and have risen nicely. The aroma filling your kitchen will be absolutely delightful. Enjoy them warm from the oven.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.